Let me know what y'all think about these bad boys. The new colorway of the Westbrook Why Not 0.2. Top pass, fire, trash in this colorway. Not too bad, man. Would like to still see him in the, in the playoffs, but it is what it is. Great season for him anyway. But what do you guys think about this colorway of the Russell Westbrook shoe? New colorway of these. Not too bad. I'm not mad at this colorway. 1, 2, 3, male. What does that mean? What do you guys think about this model right here? Pretty dope. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, of course, down below. Foot Locker Hollywood Highlands still got these on deck, man. How many people actually went after these? What do you guys think about them? Maybe we'll get these home just to get a closer look at them, you dig? Another colorway of the NMD that just came out. What do you guys think about this one, man? This is not bad at all. Cop pass, fire, or trash, bruh. Pretty sick out there. I'm not mad at these at all. All white shoe. Good for Labor Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, all that stuff. In deck and on hand, bro. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? These are dumb fire, bro. Too fire, bro. These won't be here. They got them late, but they won't be here too soon. You got to get your ass down here to cop and get them if you want.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see by the title and the box next to me, we talking about some Adidas Ultra Boost. These ones are pretty fire, pretty limited also. Let me know what you guys think about them, of course, in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video and this shoe, hit the like button. And if you happen to be new and it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe with notifications on to be updated every single time I drop content. It's summertime. It's here for some of us. About to be here for some of us a little bit later, but it's here now. The content's about to rev up. We're gonna turn it up just a little bit more. So hopefully you guys can pay attention, stay in tune, and watch all the videos, you dig? All right, so as you can see, we got the Ultra Boost box, as I said. This one's a little bit messed up, but we don't care about the box. And this is a personal thing here, so I'm not even tripping off the box, really. Ultra Boost 2.0. And I just found out that when the Ultra Boost has no picture of the actual shoe, just a silhouette, that's more of a limited shoe. Limited to about 2,000 to 7,000 pairs made. I'm not exactly sure. Pardon the background noise. You know I live on the main street. If you guys have been here before, you guys know that. If you're new, pardon me, I can't stop the world from, being the world outside. But anyway, so these ones are pretty limited. These ones represented like teachers and creators or something like that. So this has a beneficial thing going on with it. Also, if you own a pair, you were able to get your hands on it, definitely let me know about that in the comment section below. And if you went after this one, let me know. If you couldn't get it, if you took an L, let me know, bruh. These ones right here are fire though, bruh. As I take them out the box, you've seen them on display. They were on display in the store. I was like, what is that? Y'all got them now? Because when they first released, they didn't have them there. It's crazy how some of the shoe stores have been having late releases, and it just messes things up. You think it's gonna be there when it's supposed to come out, and it comes out later. I mean, that's good and bad if you ask me, to be honest with you. I went out there today to try and get that Jordan Bronze Funko Pop that dropped. Supposed to be at this location, was not there, late shipment. So then I left, I went and did some other stuff, went by Marshall's, as you guys know how I do, just to see what's going on there. Stay tuned for that video. And then I went back in there to ask the details on how the Funko Pops are gonna go. And lo and behold, I see these things on display, bro. So without further ado, let's get to it. Enough talking. I need to know your honest opinions in the comment section below. Cop pass, fire, or trash the Adidas Ultra Boost 2.0 Asterisk. This is fire. Like I said, it represents like creators and teachers. It goes to a great cause, so it has beneficial with you also copping this too. Black Boost, I don't even know, man. This shoe is fire. I'm gonna get this other shoe out the box real quick. Okay, so now we got these things out the box, man. As I get these in hand, I mean, these are just fire, bruh. Fire. I mean, I thought the colorway of them was just dope off the rip. There's an Ultra Boost 3.0 that a lot of people might compare these to, but these are by far way better than those. Let me know if you guys agree. I mean, that's my personal opinion. These right here, these things are kicking, bro. The quality on them is very nice. The color combination they use is great. You can say New York Knicks or OKC, depending on how you want to go with that. The Black Boost, the Ultra Boost, just like the Adidas Consonium, man, with the Black Boost. I mean, it just makes the shoe that much better, bruh. The upper knitting is just dope. The thickness of it, pause, is fire. They added a pull tab to the back of the Boost, which I don't think they've ever done that before. If they have, let me know the shoe that they've done it with before. I think this is something new. Don't know if it's 3M reflecting on it, but of course you can get the up close and personal visuals of these shoes. These things are fire, bruh. A 10 out of 10, maybe even a 12 out of 10. I mean, You know, Boost has been falling off for people as far as the hype goes. It's still very comfortable. I got a video talking about Boost versus React and which one's better. But this Boost, just by the look of it, man, the looks of it is just fire, and it is a comfortable shoe. It's a 2.0. They're smart for starting to retro some of them, as I would say retro, because they're bringing them back. Very dope thing, man. Got this little symbol on the lace lock or whatever you want to call that. It's pretty dope. Pretty good details to the shoe. The colorway is just fire. It's like leather on the 3-stripe area where the cage is at. It's like a leather cage, you know what I'm saying? The heel cup is white with the silver Ultra Boost right there. Dope hints, bruh. Excellent shoe made. Blue laces is perfect. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. We're going to go ahead and get to the highlights of these shoes and the on feet. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.
Middle 7-1 in his third campaign from Croatia, number 40.